So this is my vending machine's technical implementation and a walkthrough. So first we're gonna start off with import time. It is to work with time, which will be coming in the coming coming of the code like once you see it. So this is the menu for my vending machine, and I have given each letter like different letters for each category. For example, for snacks it starts with S, for chocolates it starts with L, hot drink it starts with H, and for cold drink it's C. Then it's like category, name, price, and stock. So the default stock is 10. So once you keep on continuing it, the stock might get over. And then it starts with a welcome message, welcome to vending machine, and time dot sleep. Yes, this is where import time comes to help. So it delays the code with 1 second so that the user can see welcome to vending machine. And the display of the code would be like then it's like the menu would be displayed in slow motion. And like first it would be code, category, name, stock, and the price. And the selection of the code would come with enter the code of the item you want. It's also case insensitive, so even if the user writes in upper or lower case, it's all right. And if the item is there in the vending machine, it would show it would show the code and it would process. And if it's not there, it would show that the item is out of stock. Please try another code. And otherwise, if the user tries something else, like if it's a code that's not there and presented in the vending machine, it would show an invalid code. So once the user has selected, it would show that the item they have selected is this, the item category, item name, and the item price. So as a confirmation. And then we have is insert money. So the balance is always going to be zero. So if the balance is greater than item price, for example, if they have done it, like they have inserted the money, once they insert the money, so we have the balance, and if the balance is greater than or equal to item price, it would start dispensing. The stock would be like less than, like it would reduce the stock and the item will be dispensed. And for example, if the money is more than the item price, then they would give a change as well. But let's say the item price is £2 and the user only gave like £1, it would show that you have not insufficient amount and you need to pay the one more amount, like pound one. You need £1 to pay to get your item. Then if there is any error, for example, if the user wrote any character like alphabets or something that it would show error, please enter a number. Then this chocolate display would come in suggestions. So basically suggestions is for the user, like for example, if they choose like hot drink, they would get 3 suggestions versus biscuits, chocolates, and return to the menu. So it depends on what the user wants. If they choose biscuits, so biscuits would be like the same thing, the ones they have chosen the biscuit and vending machine from where it is, and it would show the user the price for the biscuit and insert the money. It's the same process as the insert money. Now, where does the chocolate display? We have seen this over here, and this is for the user to view the uh, menu for chocolates, and you have to repeat it again. So I've started with code starts with L. So if the code starts with L, so it would show from L01 to L05 to the user. And this is the wait, yeah. Over here, the chocolate selection would come. So the user have to choose. And then once they have chosen, and again the same process, and it depends on how much money they have given, and it would just show the same thing as what I explained in the insert money. Then if they want to return, they would be returning to the menu. Otherwise, if there is any value error or something like that, they would be shown with the error message. Then we have item category cold drink. So in case instead of the item they choose, instead of hot drink, it was cold drink. So this suggestions would be shown. So first they would be interested, maybe they might be interested in chips, wafers, or return to the menu. So if the user chooses chips, again the same process. So first they would show this is the price for chips, and then the insert money function. Then if there is any error, the message for that. Then there is wafers, and again the price for wafer, insert money function, which I've shown in the beginning. Shown like yeah. Then if they want to return, they can return. And in case if there's error, it's the same thing. Then we have the main function. So in case like if the user wants to buy another item, so if they say one, if they type one, it's yes. If it's no, it's two. And if they type anything other than that, it's wait, hold up. So it would ask the user. So if they type one, it would repeat all over again. And if it's two, it breaks the code. And yeah, and if they type anything else, it would show an invalid code. Invalid, and you'll have to type is it one or two. So this is going to be a walkthrough. So you can see how it's coming slowly. It's because of the time function. So import time, which I've done. Now I'm going to choose X01 to show the suggestions as well. So now you can see I've done is like X01 is milk tea. So let's say it's £2. So instead of £2, I'm going to place only £1. So see, it says insufficient amount. You need to pay one. So for example, wait, instead of money, I will just type A. See, it would show error. Please enter a number. So to show the change part, I would need to type 10. So the milk tea is being dispensed. Please wait. And once the milk tea is dispensed, it would say that, oh, enjoy your hot drink. Here's your change. It's £9. Then we have, you may also be interested in biscuits or chocolate or return to the menu. So I'm gonna choose chocolate. So see when once you press 2, you can see the menu for chocolate. So let me see, I wanna take maybe I would take like L01, which is milk chocolate. And so it says, yeah, this is milk chocolate and this is the price you have to pay. It's like £1 and 49 for 49 pence. I'm gonna give £2. And once the chocolate is being dispensed and it gives me change even though it's a suggestion. So would I like to try buy the item again? So if I press yes, it would go all over to the code again. But if I press no, it would like stop. So I'm gonna choose no for now because I don't want to repeat the entire function again. So I'll be choosing 2. So you see it says thank you for using the vending machine. Please come by here again. So yeah, this is my code and I hope you enjoy it.